Bharatnaryadvance.com.
Next is question number 14 from exercise 6.5. Question number 14. This is also a very good question to be proved. The question is, the perpendicular from A on side BC of triangle ABC intersects BC at D such that DB is equal to 3CD. Prove that 2B square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square, and the figure is given. The perpendicular from A on side BC of a triangle ABC intersects BC at D such that DB is equal to 3CD. One condition is given, that is, the condition given is DB is equal to 3CD. And we have to prove that. To prove that 2AB square is equal to 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square. The figure is given, a triangle ABC. Triangle ABC, and this is the point D. AD is perpendicular to BC. It is given. Now the given condition is the length of BD is equal to CD. If CD is equal to X, if we are taking the length CD is equal to X, then the length BD is equal to 3X. This is equal to 3X. This is the relation connecting CD and BD. If the length of CD is equal to X units, then the length of BD will be equal to 3X. Therefore, BC will be equal to 4X. Therefore, the length of BC will be equal to 4X. This is the thing which we are given. Now, we have to prove the LHS 2AB square. Now, consider the right triangle ABD. Consider the right triangle ADB. In right triangle ADB, in a right triangle ADB, by Pythagoras theorem, we are getting AB square is equal to BD square plus AD square. BD square plus AD square. But in our answer, which to be proved, there is no AD or no BD. So we have to change BD and AD in terms of AC and BC. Now, from right triangle ADC, in right triangle ADC, in right triangle ADC, AC square is equal to AD square plus CD square by Pythagoras theorem. Again, by Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AD square plus CD square. AD square plus CD square. So, we can write it as AD square, that is AD square plus CD square is equal to AC square. Therefore, AD square is equal to AC square minus CD square. We are putting the CD or taking CD square to the right side of the equal sign. Then it is minus CD square. AD square is equal to AC square minus CD square. We are naming this as equation number 1 and giving this value here. AB square is equal to, that is AB square is equal to BD square plus, instead of this AD square, we can write AC square minus CD square. AC square minus CD square. Now, the reason is from 1. From equation number 1. That is AB square. That is AB square. If BC is equal to 4x, then BC is equal to, we are taking CD as x, that is BC is equal to 4 into CD. 4 into CD. Instead of x, we can write 4 into CD. Therefore, CD is equal to BC by 4. We are getting, therefore, CD is equal to BC divided by 4. We can write, instead of CD, BC divided by 4. And similarly, BD. BD is equal to 3x. BD is equal to 3x means, BD is equal to 3x means 3 into CD. That is, BD is equal to 3 into, instead of CD, it is BC by 4. 3 into BC by 4. We can give this as equation number 2 and this as equation number 3. Instead of CD and BD, we can give the values. AB square is equal to BD square. BD square is equal to 3BC by 4 the whole square. BD, instead of BD, we can write 3BC by 4. 3 into BC by 4 the whole square plus AC square, then minus, instead of CD, we can write BC by 4 the whole square. BC by 4 the whole square from 3 and 4. From equations 3 and 4, we are getting this result. Now, AB square is equal to 3 square, which is equal to 9, BC square divided by square of 4, which is equal to 16, plus AC square minus BC square by 16. BC square by square of 4 is equal to 16. Now we can rearrange the terms such as AB square is equal to AC square. We can write AC square firstly, then plus 9BC square by 16. 9BC square by 16 minus 1BC square by 16. AB square is equal to AC square plus 9BC square minus 1BC square, which is equal to 8BC square. The whole divided by 16. That is, AB square is equal to AC square plus cancelling 8 and 16, it will give BC square divided by 2. Now, we have to multiply throughout by 2. Multiplying the left hand side and right hand side of this equation by 2. Multiplying throughout by 2. Throughout by 2, we will get 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus 2 into BC square by 2. This 2 and 2 get cancelled and the result is 2AB square is equal to 2AC square plus BC square, and hence we proved the result. Hence proved the result. Okay. So, be very careful when doing this type of problems. See the given conditions and from that conditions try to bring the proof. So, it's a very good question, an important question. Note it as important and study very well by writing. Okay.